Hi David. I've had a quick look through the Mobi Software's forums and the website itself. Had a play through their software. It seems like the contents page is quite a common problem. So I've come up with a test scenario that should basically help explain it to you in such a way that you can actually do it yourself, as opposed to pay some American dude £100 or $100 even for the privilege of doing something incredibly simple. So I'll just quickly take you through this. This is a very straightforward document in Word 2003 format, just a simple .doc. Consists of a title page, you can see there, a blank page for the contents, and then various chapters. I think this is just some FSA regulations I've pulled from the internet as filler. So we've got one chapter, two chapters, and then a third chapter. At this moment in time, there's no special formatting or anything, but looking through the documentation and the way that both Word and the Mobi Creator works, it's very straightforward to actually do. Well, very straightforward to get a contents page on here. It's basically all down to the format you use for your headings. The actual format themselves at the end of it isn't all that important. It's literally just getting it started, really. If you're using Word 2010, it's very straightforward. 2003 might be a slightly different story, but it shouldn't be too difficult to find the equivalents. So I'll just quickly take you through this. Basically, all we need to do is for your chapter headings, we need to change these headings from a standard font type to a heading font type. This is basically just going into HTML kind of XML language scripting, but it seems to be relatively straightforward. So if you're using Word 2010, you'd simply highlight your title or your chapter title and change it to heading. And if you look across in the left hand side for the navigation, it automatically picks up that chapter 1 is the first of your headings. You can restructure these as you go along as well. If you're not happy with the font that comes up, once you've selected heading and it knows that it is a heading, you can go back into your font types and then change it to whatever you want, and it will still recognize it as a heading. And you basically have to do that for all of your chapters. So just click change them to heading. The headings will repopulate themselves in the navigation pane, and then just change it to your desired font. It could be absolutely any fonts that you like. It really doesn't matter. Same, and just do that throughout the book. Likewise, you can also chop and change the actual order of these. This will change it within the book itself. So if you read through your book and realise that you've got chapters in the wrong order, once you've selected your headings, it's no problem whatsoever to rearrange it all. Then once you're happy with all of your layouts, go to your contents page or pages, click somewhere that's empty, and then if you go to references and then table of contents, you'll be given three options. One is a contents page just titled contents, and the second one is a contents page just titled table of contents. You've got a third one, which is a manual entry, which isn't really much help to anyone, particularly not for you on your Kindle. So if we just choose table 2 as an example, it will automatically come through and pull all of the information that we've selected below. I can assume that you can also reformat the headings on here so it's more uniform. And if you save this, remember this is a 2003 .doc document. 2010 documents are docx, which are not recognized by the Mobi Creator. So once you're happy with that, saved, Just be careful of spacings once you've put in your contents page, so it seems to shuffle everything along. So once you're happy with that, get rid of any blanks and any extra editing you want to do, and save the final version. Make sure when you go into Creator that you're not actually in the document itself. Then you just find your MobiPocket, load through your document, so test contents, and then import it. And if you build it, don't worry too much about the warnings. I believe that one's just a missing front page or something. And if you open up the preview, you'll see your title page, you'll see a table of contents, you see all of your different chapters, so chapter 1, chapter 2 and so forth. This is quite a poor ebook reader, to be honest, but either way, if you were to click on any of your chapter links, it will automatically take you to that chapter. Just to prove that it does actually work, I'll just show you the final one. So it's got the chapter title and then the page number itself, and I'll take you straight there. I hope you found it useful, David. If you get any more problems, just give me a call or drop me an email and I'll see what I can do to help. Cheers, bye.